In this video, we'll show you the complete rundown of how to install the 1.2 meter S6 hard-eye hand-driven anchor. Please note, this method is only recommended when a small number of anchors, i.e. 10 to 20, need to be installed and a hand-tight tension is sufficient for the application. If a large number of anchors are required to be installed and/or the engineer requires the tension to be quantified, please refer to the S6 hard-eye 1.5 meter electric-driven video. Unpacking the gear, you'll find the S6 anchor and 1.2 meter hard-eye wire tendon, a 90 cm drive rod. You'll also need a sledgehammer, a tape measure for recording the extension achieved, spray paint, earmuffs, safety glasses and gloves. Let's get started with the installation process. Before driving the anchors, always check for surfaces that may be buried below the surface. Firstly, spray a mark where the anchor is to go. Fit the drive rod to the anchor. Drive the anchor into the ground at the specified angle and depth. Then remove the rod from the ground. Thread a steel rod through the hard eye of the installed anchor and lift the drive rod up. Something like a 12mm threaded rod works well. To maximise the tension on the anchor, it is recommended to have 2 people lifting the drive rod, with one on either side of the anchor. You can usually expect around 170 to 400mm of extension depending on the soil conditions. The Platipus S6 hard-eye anchor is now ready for action.